Hello everyone. Today we learn about uh, Linux command, how to create a file uh, by using command and how can read a file data using Linux command. First, if we want to create a file, we type nano, 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 then uh, uh, type the name of file. I want to set the file name is test. That's why I write test. Then we select file extension. We can use HTML, TXT or blah blah blah. We just create a TXT file. .txt. Then we go for enter. Then we can uh, uh, get a view there. Here we can write our text what we want. I love USA. I just type I love USA. Then we want to save this. We just uh, type Control X, uh, then capital Y, then enter. File is saved. The make and saved. Then if we go for ls, we can see the test.txt file is already created. If we want to see the inside text of the test.txt, we just use cat command, right? Cat, then file name test.txt. Then we can see the file text inside I love USA.